Imagine if healing a damaged heart or lung was as simple as applying a patch, like fixing a punctured tire. Sounds like science fiction? Well, it might just be science fact. Scientists have now developed a revolutionary patch that can heal damaged organs, including the heart, by merging seamlessly with living tissue, promoting repair, and even delivering treatments directly where they're needed most. This could be the future of regenerative medicine, and it's already happening. Millions of people worldwide suffer from organ injuries, from heart attacks that leave scar tissue to lung damage from infections, trauma, or surgery. The challenge? Organs like the heart or lungs are constantly in motion. That makes it extremely difficult for traditional materials to stay in place or function effectively inside the body. And while transplants save lives, donor organs are rare and expensive. Now enter the breakthrough. Researchers in Germany and other global teams have developed ultra-flexible, bioadhesive patches that can be applied directly to damaged organs. One version, created at the University Medical Center Göttingen, uses reprogrammed blood cells to grow heart muscle and connective tissue. These cells are embedded in a soft collagen gel, essentially forming a living, breathing patch for the heart. In preclinical studies, this patch significantly improved heart function in monkeys. It even grew its own blood supply after being attached to a human heart. But it gets better. Other versions of these patches, like one recently detailed in Nature Communications, are designed with extreme stretchability. Imagine a material that can move with a beating heart, a breathing lung, or a contracting intestine, without tearing, shifting, or losing contact. These patches use cutting-edge biomaterials that stick instantly, up to 2.5 times stronger than Tecile, the FDA-approved surgical glue, and they can be printed, shaped, and even loaded with drugs or stem cells to enhance healing even further. In one real-world test, a woman with severe heart failure received the Göttingen patch. Over 3 months, it not only remained intact, it integrated with her heart tissue and developed a blood supply. Although she eventually required a transplant, this patch served as a crucial bridge, giving her body a better chance at recovery. Looking forward, these patches could become standard tools in surgery, especially for treating injuries that are hard to stitch, glue, or replace. And because many of them use patient-derived cells, the risk of immune rejection is drastically reduced. So, what does all this mean? We're entering a new era of medicine, one where repairing a heart or a lung may no longer mean invasive surgeries, risky grafts, or long waits for transplants. Instead, it could mean a personalized patch, grown from your own cells, applied directly where it's needed. From healing hearts to fixing intestines and maybe even repairing brain injuries in the future, these bioengineered patches are a glimpse into the incredible potential of regenerative science. What do you think? Would you trust a lab-grown patch to heal your heart? Drop your thoughts in the comments. And if you love exploring science that feels like science fiction, don't forget to like, subscribe, and ring that notification bell because we're just getting started.